By far the best thing about the whole renovation thing is doing dishes is a breeze. I got him. Yeah. Dishes are done. Hey babe, are you sure you want to move it from here to right there? We could just leave it right here. So the plus side to having the bedrooms upstairs and walls with absolutely no insulation is that finally around 2 or 3 a.m., it's cool enough that I can fall asleep. Steph, didn't you want to go with a white countertop with some black specks? Yeah, good. I think I found just the one. They can be whatever lights you want. They could be just those little hook reading lights, some little pendants, I don't know what. What do you put? Hey, let's put the boob lights right there, then we can finally get rid of them. Huh? Why do I have to move the spigot? You said the back of the house. Well, yes, that is the back door, but that is the front over there, so if that is technically the front, that should be the back. Right? You can have as many as you want, as long as I don't have to go back to Home Depot. I think 4 would be a little excessive in the closet. Wait. That one doesn't work.
But that one's full.
I know. We'll just get another extension cord. Woohoo! Stove's working. No, the oven you still have to hook up power because it's digital or something like that. Well, no walls, no doors, no privacy. Good and bad one about this one is, well, first of all, you become a very excellent organizer. Everything's labeled in nice boxes stacked up. You become an expert at Tetris. I beat level number 10 the other day. And downside, well, if you need something that you know is packed away, sorry, you're out of luck. And I guess, well, we know right where half the kitchen and bedroom stuff is. Well, stay there, guys. You're holding up the team. Okay, I'll put 4. Hypothetically speaking, if this were the island, is this where you would want the pendants? Good. I got one thing right. And you can sit here and watch the kids. You can watch Big Brother wall up on Little Brother out in the pool. Oh, he's pouring dirt in the pool again. Wait, that one doesn't work either. But technically, that one hasn't worked since we lived here, so not my fault. When it is bad weather, kids can still ride their scooters. You guys might be thinking, hey, it looks like great weather outside. Well, fact, it's 99 degrees today, and in my book, that's not good weather. That will feel like a mansion when you have been living with 2 cabinets, a tote, and yes, a camp table. This is all. This is what we've been using in the last couple months. We've made it work. I'm not gonna lie, we've been throwing out some sweet microwave dinners out of that bad boy. Marie, she knows how to cook. I'm gonna miss her cooking. This is our disposal now. No, really, it's gonna be like this size exactly. It's like, this is gonna be the island size. No, we're not really gonna keep the camp table. Thanks for watching, and yes, these were very real situations, conversations that we have on a day-to-day basis. I don't want to discourage anyone from remodeling because yes, it is a fun adventure. You do get to learn a lot, so take it for what it's will. Yes, there are good and bad things, but you know what? That's what you get when you're remodeling your home and you're living in it at the same time. So stay tuned for more updates, and hopefully we get some cabinets and countertops by Christmas. Thanks for watching. See you next time.